Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying on the Rare Beauty Positive Light Tinted Moisturizer. This came out a couple of weeks ago. I went to the Sephora store in my city. I was so excited to buy it, right? And they don't have it stocked, so that's why I'm really late. So I had to buy it online. But now I have it. So I got it, the shade 34W, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I like this. I love their packaging. Just opened it, and this is what it looks like. This is the applicator. I really like this applicator. I guess so you can like just squeeze it onto your face. But first we're gonna put on the primer, obviously. So I mentioned this primer, I think in my last video, the illuminating primer. I got it in full, so just rub that on my face real quick. I don't have a mirror, that's why I'm always using this compact, because I can't see myself. I'm going to be applying this tinted moisturizer with my fingers also, so like an actual moisturizer basically. This is my second tinted moisturizer I've bought. I already have the Bare Mineral. I bought the Bare Mineral. Right now I already have a Bare Minerals on, but I feel like this is going to be better just because. I have a feeling, because I love Rare Beauty. Okay. I'm so excited. Come on. Oh yeah, okay. I don't know how much I should put on, to be honest. Okay. Ooh, this is so smooth and creamy. This is okay, this is so much better than the one I have. Okay. Oh my gosh, look. Do y'all see that? Oh, so glowy. Wow. It feels like, okay, because the Bare Minerals one, it still feels, it doesn't feel like an actual this feels like an actual moisturizer. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me dip my forehead. Come on. Okay. Guess that's enough. I'll blend that out. Over here. Okay, that's really nice. It blends. I normally don't blend anything with my fingers, but this is going really well, so. Wow. Oh. I'm using this for the summer. This is definitely my go-to product. This is, oh my gosh. This is so smooth. Like, it's so smooth. Okay, let me spray their setting spray on it real quick. Hold up. Oh my goodness. That looks so good. I'm so excited. Oh my god! And it has SPF 20. Yeah, SPF 20 sunscreen. Ooh, I'm so ready for summer. This is all I'm going to wear for summer. No foundation, unless I have to go somewhere fancy. But I mean, I still could wear this. It has good coverage. Wow, it's so, like, this is like magic, because it's like, I don't feel anything on my face. It feels, I really can't describe it, because I'm trying to think of the words in my head. I'm just really shocked. Like, I love all their products anyways, but this, whoo, I don't know what they be doing, but Selena Marie, you did it again. Might come back. I might do a look with it, maybe. We'll see. Here's the final look. Yeah, you really don't have to use foundation. Like, if you want to just go out, you can just use this. And then, like, do your concealer and everything. So, my last thoughts are, this is amazing. And I really actually want to recommend y'all this Tinted Moisturizer. I think it's $28 at Sephora, or you can go on Rare Beauty's website. This is not sponsored. I wish it was. I need money. Anyways, if you want to buy a tinted moisturizer, I definitely recommend using this, especially for this summer, because you're gonna need it, because it's hot and humid, especially where I am, and this is the perfect product for the weather here too, when it's really humid, and I don't like sweating a lot, and so also the sun is always beaming here in Georgia, so this is a really great product. So yeah, I really love it. I give it 10 stars. That's not a thing, but it's that amazing. This is the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.